Hello everyone. In this video, we will review the Chispa dating app. Chispa was designed specifically for the Latino community. This makes it easier for users to connect with people who may share similar traditions, language, cultural values, and interests. For many users, this cultural focus is the biggest reason to try the app instead of larger dating platforms. The app itself is very simple to use. Once you create a profile and upload photos, you can start browsing other profiles using a swipe-style system similar to Tinder. The interface is clean, easy to understand, and beginner-friendly. However, there are also some major downsides that many users mention in reviews. One of the biggest complaints is the aggressive paywall system. Features like seeing who liked your profile or sending unlimited messages are often locked behind a premium subscription. This can make the free version feel very limited. Another common issue involves distance settings. Some users report that the app ignores location preferences and shows matches that are hundreds of miles away. This can be frustrating if you only want to meet people nearby. Some users also mention fake profiles, bots, or inactive accounts appearing more frequently than expected. Overall, Chispa can be a good option for Latino singles looking for culturally focused connections, but the app still has several limitations you should consider before subscribing. Thanks for watching.